guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi if you guys are new here, and if you're not new, welcome back. So I did do a little bit of damage at Hermes the other day. Sorry if I'm looking down, making sure my viewfinder looks okay. I'm still getting used to this camera. I hope you guys like it because I'm keeping it. So this is what we have. So I did get a few items on my last trip to Hermes. They no longer let you record in there. So no more filming, only photos. And if you film in there and you post on social media, they're going to find you and then they're going to ban you from the store. They're going to no longer let you shop. So do not film in the store, apparently. That's what I was told, at least at my store here in the Bay Area. So I shop in the San Francisco location, if you guys are wondering. So it is a little bit of a distance for me. So I don't get to go into the store often. Sometimes I have to have things shipped to me. So that is a new update. I think all the social media stuff, the TikToks and stuff, I think they didn't like that. So I can only share with you guys hauls and photos if I take any, but I just chat with my associate all the time there, so I don't really take the time to take pictures. So hauls it is over here, okay? But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this haul. So I'm holding this because it doesn't clip very well to the shirt. I don't know where else to put it, so yeah. The first thing I have here is this lotion. This is the Un Jardin sur le Toit, I think this is what it's called. It's this one. I thought I ordered the right one last time, but it was not. So that one is going to go to one of my friends. I'm going to bring it to her today, my friend from work. This one is the one that smells like cucumbers, okay? This one smells so good. I love the way this one smells. It shows here that there is a refillable thing. Do you guys see that? I should inquire about that next time because then I don't have to waste all these beautiful glass bottles. I like to keep this one in my kitchen. This is what it looks like. I love the green packaging. Oh my god, it goes with my tree. But yeah, this one. It smells like cucumbers. It just smells so good. Yep, this is the one. This is the one. So you guys are looking for a really fresh scent, really great for the kitchen. They do make a soap as well, but I think it's like a body wash, if I believe. I think it's like a shampoo and body wash. So yeah. The second thing I got is on my bag right now. Let me go ahead and lift her up. I got a new Twilly. This one is, if you guys hear that, that's snow eating. But yeah, so this Twilly has the chain on it, the chain de ancre on it, and I am a sucker for the chain, like anything, the silhouette of it. I love it so much. And speaking of that, I am ordering another ring. I already have one, but I wanted another one because I want to wear it for my pinky ring. So I am obsessed with this one. I didn't get another one, so the back part is naked. She had a shirt, but she ain't got no pants, okay? But yeah, so I really love this one for my bag. I love darker Twillies. I don't have any super fun ones. I think my funny ice cream one would look good with this one if I wanted to put one on. But I saw this Twilly online and I fell in love with it. I'll post a picture of it on here so you guys can see what it looks like completely without it being tied, but it's gorgeous. If you guys can get your hands on it, if you guys have a black bag, you guys can get your hands on that Twilly, definitely do so. I do have my little Pegasus on here, both of them on here. I should get a white one. I haven't thought about getting a cray Pegasus. I think that'd be a really nice one for a little pop against the black. And then the last thing I got here, I'm going to have to put you guys down. Hold on. So the last thing that I got came in the mail today. Super happy about it because I couldn't get this in store and I missed the delivery the first time yesterday. So I made sure I was sat in the kitchen. I was actually making my meal prep for lunch today and I saw a silhouette coming up to my front door and I booked it and I was like, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home. Don't you dare leave without giving my package. I did get some shoes. This side is so cute. It says Merci. I've never ordered online. You guys see that? Yeah, I've never ordered anything online because I just buy everything in the store or they'll ship it to me. But I didn't see that last time. Hey, my son. You can't sit there. Mommy's bag is sitting there right now. Can you wait? Can you wait? Okay, I'll move my bag. There. Do you want to sit? Guys, this mic has changed my life, okay? I love this little mic. But yeah, so I got these shoes because I was like, I don't have shoes to match my other bag. Like, I have the belt, I have the purse, but no shoes. So I was like, you know what? Let me do shoes. Oh, it says Hermes 2026 on it. I don't know if you guys can see. Cute. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. So actually I had to get these shoes shipped from the warehouse. I think they have a warehouse in New Jersey. That's where they like start to ship, you know, the things out. Oh my gosh. Ah, they're so cute. These are the Taupe Oasis sandals. I am an Oasis girly. I like Orans. They're nice still, but the Oasis just sits much better and they don't hurt my feet as much as the Orans do. It says, please do not remove on that tag, but oh, they're so pretty. I love Taupe. It's one of my favorite shades that they make. I love the Taupe so much. It's the perfect neutral taupey color, like grayish color. I feel like this is pretty on point. It might be a little bit darker in person. This is a different material though than the Oasis sandals and the other Orans that I have. This has like a pebbled, I don't know if you can see, but it's more pebbled. Super quick haul for you guys. I just wanted to film this just to give you guys an update on, you know, my little shopping spree there. Anyway, I did change my wish list as well. There was something on my wish list that I like didn't really care for. I told my essay, I was like, I would take it, but I don't think I love it enough that like it makes me like super duper happy to have it, you know. So we did decide to remove that and just keep the other one on my wish list. But yeah, and they are saying that it's gonna be one bag per year now, which I'm totally okay with. I'm not someone that's gonna be collecting Birkins and Kellys like you know, multiple times a year. I just I like having, you know, little things like that, coming to see my essay, having a nice little shopping trip, and if I get a bag out of it, great. If I don't, I don't care. I'm really happy. Even if I just had this one bag for the rest of my life, like I think I'm okay with that. Like it's the perfect bag for me. But yeah, so anyway, that's it to my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.